Hey, it's Murray. I don't know what sprint this is, but let's begin. We're doing OBB stuff this week. Um, got all of that set up with the visualizer and such. You can see that here. I just set up new render calls for it. Um, make all the calculations there. We've got the class here. It's got all of its intersect functions, all of the other bounding volume classes, or the collision volume classes have adjusted for that change as well. We compute the data here, and yeah. Anyway, here I'll just show. I only have collision working for OEBs to bounding spheres. That's it. OBBs to OBBs, I have been working on for literally like 15 hours today, and I just can't. I'm I hit a wall, and I literally have no clue what is wrong with my code in any capacity. Like there is not, like I just don't know. So we'll just have to take a look at it tomorrow or some other time and fix it and make it work. Otherwise, I'll have to go and try and do option one, even though it sucks for performance. But whatever. I just want to make this work, and I have to turn in something at midnight. So um, I guess I can just show here. We're doing everything that we talked about in the presentation and in class for the B-sphere stuff. That all went pretty well. I'm trying to set this up between OBBs by having this array of axes, which is kind of bad and costly. But we get these world matrices, and we get the rows of these matrices, and then we take the cross products of each of these things and set those W's to 0 because we need to, and then we get to this gross loop here, and we try and go through this list of axes and throw it into this overlap function. If any of those return false, then the whole function returns false and we're not intersecting, because if they're all true, then it'll get to this and return true and we'll be intersecting. So in OBB overlap, we're doing pretty much exactly what the presentation says and what we talked about in class. We're getting this difference, and we're calculating D by multiplying or getting the dot product of the axis and that difference of centers. Yeah, we get the max projections from each of the OBBs that we're comparing. And then we return this to see if those OBBs are overlapping. Those OBB projections are overlapping, more like. So this max projection function, we do everything here. I don't know what's wrong with it. So yeah, we'll figure it out. It's fine. But that's pretty much all I have to show this week. I just can't fix this, and it's impeding my progress to the rest of the sprint. I can't do OBB to ABB, AABB